I am Dr.Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C practical video series. In this video we will discuss a left aligned triangle of a number, but the main thing is using single loop only. Generally we display this kind of triangle using two loop, but how we can create the similar program using a single loop, that we'll discuss in this video. So the output of this program is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. So the logic is little bit different because here we have to use only a single loop. In previous video we have already discussed one similar kind of example. So here this is the example of a number. Now the thing is that here when we want to use only a single loop, then the data that we want to display on the screen, that will consider as a string, because there is in a formatted printf, when we want to display a string, then there is a specific format specifier with and total characters that we discussed in the previous video also and in this video also. So suppose here in this triangle our total number of characters, or we can say digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the maximum. So this maximum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we consider as a string, and that string we will store in a character array, because in C language there is no string data type. So character str of 10 and in double quote will assign the maximum length of the character that we want to display on screen in this kind of triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is our maximum digits. Then we know that in first line, out of this string we want to print only first character. Now see, here actually it's a number, but when you write in double quotation, that is considered as a string. So here we'll consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a string, and in first line we want to display only first character. In second line we want to display first two character. In third line we want to display first three characters. Similarly 4, 5. So in printf function, generally when we want to display a string, then we are using %s as a format specifier. But in a format of printf, between % and s, we can mention total width that we want to display and the total characters from this string. Now here, if we provide a width in negative value, then the data is displayed in the left line, and if we provide the width in positive value, then it data displayed the right line. Friends, I already explained these two concepts in previous video. You have not seen this video, please first you view this video so you can get the idea about the this negative and positive value. Again here we'll revise the concept. Suppose in the first line we want to display the first characters, and we know that how many characters totals available in our string, 5. So our loop will be I is equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus. And here printf, now %s means we want to print str, so str will be there. Now -5 is a width. Now when we provide a width minus, then the data will be displayed the left line. Then 5 means what? The total size of the printing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just for understanding, I have display in a box, otherwise in the screen it will display the space over here. So total width is 5, -5 means the data will be displayed at the left line. Suppose if we remove minus, then this one will be displayed at the right line. That is the difference. Then point, then so first width indicates the total number of width that we want to display, and point star means the star value we will take from the I, because in first line we want only one character, in second line we want to two character. So point star, and in place of star it will consider the value of this variable I, and the place of %s it will consider the value of str. So first time we know that I is equal to 1, and what does it mean? So internally -5.1. So -5 means left line, total 5 size, and out of this string we want to display only first character. So here 1, then /n. Now see, when I increment by 1, I become 2. Now what happened? 2 is less than 5, condition becomes true. -5 point star. So -5 means width we want to keep as it is. Minus means we want to start from left line. Now point star, now the value of star means I means 2. So from this string we want to display the first two characters, so it's a 1 and 2, right? Similarly, when the I increment by 1, 3 less than 5, yes, then minus 5, again total size is 5, minus means left align, point star. Now at this time the value of star is I means 3. So from this string we want first 3 characters, so point 5.3 it display the first 3 character from the string, so 1 2 3. Then again slash n, I increment by 1, it become 4. Then again 5 minus 5 point star means 4, so it display the first 4 characters from the string. And finally when I increment by 1, then become 5, then minus 5 means total with 5, and total 5 character we want to display from this string, so 1 2 3 4. So in that way, friends, as you see over here, we have displayed the entire triangle, but we have used only single for loop. So in that way we can write the triangle program using a single loop. Let's we discuss the same programs in Turbo C. As we discussed that here we require one counter variable for loop, then string declaration character array str, and 1 2 3 4 5. Now whenever we initialize the string in the declaration part, then the size is optional, that we know that in the theory. And clear screen, after that this is the single loop logic as we already discussed over here. And then for loop I is equal to 1, I less than 5, and the major logic is this percentage minus 5, it's a fixed with dot star means the number of characters that you want to print from that string, and point star value will take from I variable, and str is our original string, and then slash n is for the next line. So if I run this program, so 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, that is we can say the left align triangle. But now if we make a minor change over here, instead of minus 5, if we give a positive 5 for example, and if I execute this program, so see my triangle is totally changed. Now it is a right align. So right align means what? When we mention the size in positive, then the data is displayed from the right align, from the right side, and we mention the size in negative, then the data will start from the left align. So I hope, friends, you understood the logic of these programs, and in this video actually we have already seen that how we can draw the similar triangle using two loops, like I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, j less than I, and print. So this is the logic that, but in that logic we have used two for loop. The same output we can do with the help of single loop. So friends, this C program source code I have given the link in this video description part. You can download this source code and do the practical in your laptop. So I hope, friends, you enjoy this video and understood the logic how we can display the single triangle using single loop. In the next video we will discuss again the another type of triangle, but in that we'll ask the user to input a string, and whatever input string is that will display as a triangle using a single loop. So please, friends, you share this video with your friends, and like this video, give your feedbacks in the comment part, and in this video description part I have also given the link of all other theory and practical video links, so you can use the benefit of that. So in the next video again we'll see another triangle using single loop. Thank you everyone.